Hello, good morning, students. So, in yesterday's lecture, we started this next important part of your MEM study. बरोबर? मेकॅनिकल इंजिनिअरिंग मटेरियल शिकताना आपल्याला हा महत्त्वाचा पार्ट आपण काल सुरू केला. दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ स्टुडंट. हॅलो, प्रणव क्षत्रिय आहे का जागा? प्रणव, आर यू देअर? प्रणव क्षत्रिय,
Yes,
unmute
sir.
yourself.
Yes, sir.
Which diagram? Yesterday we have started this diagram. This diagram is called which diagram? काय म्हणतो आपण या डायग्रामला प्रणव? काल सुरुवात केली आपण ना. जस्ट टेल मी द डायग्राम इज कॉल्ड एज व्हॉट? होतं का तू काल लेक्चरला प्रणव? हॅलो, तिथं लिहिलंय बघ प्रणववरती. काय लिहिलंय?
Hello, sir. Out.
कुठली डायग्राम आहे ती? काल होतं का लेक्चरला नाही तू?
नाही सर, काल नव्हतं लेक्चरला.
वरती
इक्विलिब्रियम
लिहिलंय
डायग्राम.
ते दिसतंय. तिथे दिसलं का वरती काय लिहिलंय?
Yes, sir.
काय लिहिलंय वाच बरं.
Composition.
कंपोजिशन लिहिलंय.
Temperature.
हं?
वरती फक्त स्क्रीन दिसते.
हां?
कंपोजिशन वरती लिहिलेलं आहे, साईडनी टेम्परेचर.
नाही नाही, 1 minute. I'm sharing the screen just now. I'm sharing the screen just a minute. Again. आता काय दिसतंय सांग मला. आता दिसतंय का नाव पूर्ण?
Yes, sir.
काय
Iron
दिसतंय
carbon
नाव?
diagram.
The diagram is called as a iron carbon
Iron
equilibrium
carbon.
diagram. Okay. So this is your iron carbon equilibrium. This thing is the iron carbon
Yes.
diagram. Yesterday we have studied that this diagram is also called as phase diagram. Phase diagram, iron carbon equilibrium diagram, or also called as iron carbon iron carbide. Fe, that is iron, and Fe3C, that is iron carbide. Cementite म्हणतो आपण त्याला पुढे. बरोबर, iron carbide diagram. So in this iron carbon diagram, on this x-axis there is a weight percentage of carbon. कार्बनचं वेट पर्सेंटेज मध्ये दिलेलं आहे. बरोबर, त्या तीन मध्ये किती पर्सेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन आहे? दॅट इज इन पर्सेंटेज, राईट, फ्रॉम 0% अप टू मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंटली 6.7. लास्टला किती ते 6.67 or 6.7. That is a 6.67% of carbon in that total steel. And at this vertical axis, y axis, there is a temperature in degree Fahrenheit at one end as well as डिग्री सेल्सिअस मध्ये पण असतो. बरोबर, आता काल आपण डायग्राम बघितली, त्या साईडला या साईडला डिग्री फॅरेनहाइट होतं आणि या साईडला डिग्री सेल्सिअस होतं. बरोबर, अपोजिटली नाउ इन दिस टुडेज iron carbon equilibrium diagram, this side is having temperature in degree celsius. या साईडला जो वर्टिकल ऍक्सिस आहे त्या ठिकाणी टेम्परेचर कुठल्या युनिट मध्ये स्टुडंट्स? इट इज इन डिग्री सेल्सिअस. वेर एज दिस साइड इट इज इन degree Fahrenheit. It is same. Okay, that is your iron carbon equilibrium diagram having temperature at this end. And yesterday we have seen that, okay, so there is a constant temperature line. There is a constant temperature line called as a, at that around 727 degrees Celsius. Around 727 degrees Celsius. 1 minute, student. So students, this is important iron carbon equilibrium diagram. In that iron carbon equilibrium diagram, on that first at room temperature, there is a 0% of carbon, that is called as a plain carbon steel. जेव्हा कार्बनचं पर्सेंट आता या वाय एक्स एक्सिस वर काय स्टुडंट? हॉरिझॉन्टल ऍक्सिस एक्स एक्सिस वर, on that horizontal x-axis there is a weight percentage of carbon starting from 0. So 0% of carbon, that is a no percentage of carbon, that is a plain carbon steel. That 0% of carbon, that means it is a 0% of carbon, that is plain carbon. And when that carbon increases from 0 to onwards, right, from 0.008 or 002. So that is having some negligible percentage of carbon, and up to 2% of carbon. Yesterday we have seen that when that carbon percentage is 2%, then that material is called as a steel. कार्बनचं पर्सेंटेज जेव्हा 2% असतं, up to 2% of carbon, then that material is called as a steel. But when that carbon percentage increases from 2 onwards, 2.01 or 2.1 पासून सुद्धा पुढे काय होतं, that steel will not remain steel, it will be called as a what, students? Yesterday we have seen that part. 2 पेक्षा पुढे गेले कार्बनचं पर्सेंटेज काय, त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? Yes, students, that is not a steel, that part is called as what? Ci. काय होतं स्टुडंट? Ci. Yes, anybody? कार्बनचं पर्सेंटेज 2
Cast iron.
येस, कार्बनचं पर्सेंटेज 2 पेक्षा पुढे जातं, bigger than 2% of carbon, 2 to 6.67% of carbon, from 2 onwards to 6.67% of carbon, then it is called as a cast iron. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? That cast iron. And at this room temperature, when that carbon percentage is very low, very negligible, up to 0.002, then at that constant temperature line 727 degrees Celsius, after that alpha ferrite, initially काय आहे, room temperature ला that iron shows the alpha ferrite phase, बरोबर? At room temperature there is one phase called as alpha ferrite phase or ferrite phase. So that alpha ferrite phase has BCC structure, body center cubic crystal structure, and above this 727 degrees Celsius, या कॉन्स्टंट लाईन आहे ना, ही स्ट्रेट लाईन म्हणजे काय, कॉन्स्टंट टेम्परेचर लाईन आहे. या कॉन्स्टंट टेम्परेचर लाईनचे जेव्हा आपण अपवर्ड जातो, अबोव द टेम्परेचर 727 डिग्री सेल्सिअसच्या पुढे जेव्हा जातो आपण, 800च्या 900च्या पुढे डिग्री सेल्सिअस, देन दिस अल्फा फेराइड इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू द गॅमा ऑस्टेनाइट. इथं दिले बघा मध्ये, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज गॅमा ऑस्टेनाइट or gamma iron, that is austenite phase. So this alpha ferrite phase is converted into the gamma austenite phase. Now what happened, due to the entropy of iron, yesterday we have seen or we have studied that property of iron, one different crystal structures. There are different crystal structures. So that is called as the entropy of iron. Is initially at room temperature, the alpha ferrite phase is in the body centered cubic crystal structure, but above this 727 degrees Celsius, at this medium temperature line, at this middle temperature line, that alpha ferrite phase, that body centered cubic crystal structure is converted into the phase centered cubic, that is FCC gamma austenite. FCC phase असलेलं काय होतं, gamma austenite phase मध्ये कन्वर्ट होतं. And at this higher temperature, around 1539 degrees Celsius, 1538 लिहिले बघा इथं. So above this 1538 degrees Celsius, that gamma austenite is converted into the delta liquid, that is called as the delta ferrite or called as the delta phase or liquid phase. That is the liquid phase of iron above this 1538 degrees Celsius, बरोबर? 1500-1600 डिग्री सेल्सिअस वरती काय होतं, that solid steel is converted into the liquid iron, that is a delta phase or called as a delta iron liquid phase. So that delta liquid phase again is it showing the body centered cubic crystal structure, means gamma austenite जेव्हा कन्वर्जन होतं लिक्विड मध्ये, initially that is partly gamma and partly liquid, but above that 1493, that totally there is a liquid phase. So that liquid phase is again in the body centered cubic crystal structure. So these are the changing of crystal structure at different temperatures. Initially alpha ferrite phase का student, that is BCC structure. At that middle temperature line it is a gamma austenite, again FCC, and again that higher temperature, that liquid phase, again it is a BCC structure. So BCC, again FCC, and again BCC. So this property of iron showing different crystal structures. बरोबर, ते एकच आयन आहे, सेम आयन, but at different temperature shows the different crystal structures. That property of iron is called as a entropy of iron. ALLOTROPY. Entropy of iron म्हणजे काय आहे, आयन त्याच्या वेगवेगळ्या क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये दिसतं आपल्याला at various temperature, बरोबर? मग त्याला आपण म्हणतो entropy of iron. Now student, these are the different three temperature regions. This is called as a lower temperature called as a 727 degrees Celsius. This is called as the middle temperature line 1147 degrees Celsius, and this 1493 or 1538 degrees Celsius, that is a higher temperature line. These are the three temperatures involved in your ion carbon diagram. बरोबर? Lower critical temperature, middle critical temperature, and upper critical temperature. So these are the three critical temperatures. Student, try to understand. 727, this constant line is the lower critical temperature. At this 1147, that is a middle critical temperature, and at this solid to liquid phase conversion around this 1538, that is a upper critical temperature. So these are the three critical temperatures shown in the ion carbon equilibrium diagram, and as well as this 0.76% of carbon. This phase or this point is called as the eutectide point. At this eutectide point, then below there is a solid ion alpha plus ferrite, but above that there is a gamma austenite. Bro, above that eutectide point there is a gamma austenite. So one solid gives rise to two solids, alpha plus cementite phase. This Fe3C phase. When that carbon percentage increases from 2 onwards, 2.1 पेक्षा जेव्हा पुढे जातो ते 2.14 आहे बघा इथे लाईन 2.14 च्या पुढे जातो जेव्हा काय होतं तर अल्फा फेराइड phase is converted into the cementite phase. Initially it is alpha plus cementite, but later on above that eutectic point it is completely cementite phase at higher percentage of carbon. So this point is called as a eutectide point. Initial जो low temperature point है, that point is called as a eutectide point. That eutectide reaction is that gamma austenite on cooling gives rise to alpha ferrite one solid and cementite another solid, two types of solid. So that reaction is called as a eutectide reaction. One solid gives rise to two solids, or these two solids when mixed together on heating gives rise to gamma austenite solid. So this point is called as the eutectide point. बरोबर students, या point ला काय म्हणतो आपण eutectide point at this 0.76 middle temperature, sorry lower temperature eutectide point, and left of the eutectide point, there is a hypoeutectide steel, and right of the eutectide point या साइडला आपण हायपरइलेक्ट्राइड स्टील म्हणतो. बरोबर, या साइडला हायपोइलेक्ट्राइड स्टील आहे आणि पुढच्या साइडला हायपरइलेक्ट्राइड स्टील अक्रॉस द eutectide point. So this capital E point is called as the eutectide point, whereas on this middle temperature line, on this 1147 degrees Celsius, at this 4.3% of carbon, around 4.3% of carbon, that point is called as the eutectic point. That point is called as the eutectic point. That reaction is called as the liquid steel. Liquid steel on cooling gives rise to two solid, gamma plus austenite. बरोबर, gamma austenite, gamma plus cementite phase, gamma austenite phase plus cementite phase. मग लिक्विडला मी जेव्हा कूलिंग करतो मला दोन प्रकारचे सॉलिड बघायला मिळतात, gamma austenite plus cementite. So that reaction is called as the eutectic reaction at that medium temperature line 1147 degrees Celsius. मग लक्षात घ्या स्टुडंट, हे दोन ई पॉइंट आहे. हा कॅपिटल ई at this 0.76 region is the eutectide point, whereas at this 4.3% of carbon at this medium temperature line 1147 degrees Celsius, that point is called as a eutectic point. Eutectic and eutectoid. That reaction is called as a eutectic reaction at this eutectic point, and at this eutectide point that reaction is called as a eutectide reaction. Try to understand students. Okay, समजता students, लक्षात घ्या सगळ्यांनी. So it is very important on your equilibrium diagram, on that ion carbon equilibrium diagram, these are the important parts, these are the important of your ion carbon equilibrium diagram. So eutectide point and eutectic point yesterday already seen, and these are the different phases: alpha ferrite phase, gamma austenite phase, delta ferrite phase, or cementite phase. Then there are one more phase called as a martensite phase. This hardest structure is called as a martensite phase, perlite phase. So these are the different structures on your ion carbon equilibrium diagram. We will study it one by one. So pure ion upon heating pure iron upon heating experiences two changes in crystal structure before it melts. Or at room temperature it is stable form called as ferrite or iron which has a BCC crystal structure. बरोबर. मग initial temperature ला काय आहे? At room temperature that iron is the stable form called as alpha ferrite phase or ferrite phase. बरोबर. And it has BCC crystal structure. या alpha ferrite phase ला कसं structure आहे student? Initially जो alpha ferrite phase आहे or ferrite phase, it is a stable phase called as a body centered cubic crystal structure, whereas when it increases from this 912 degree Celsius, बरोबर, at that 912 degree Celsius इथं बघा 912 आहे, त्या 912 degree Celsiusच्या पुढे काय होते तर initially there is alpha ferrite only, but this alpha ferrite is converted into the gamma austenite. So at that 912 degrees Celsius, there is a polymorphic transformation. Poly means there is another crystal structure takes place. This BCC crystal structure is converted into the FCC crystal structure called as a austenite phase. Just a minute, students. Just wait. So students try to understand these are the different crystal structures observed at that room temperature or that higher temperature. Now at this middle temperature, bro, that alpha ferrite is converted into the gamma austenite. That is FCC phase, phase centered cubic crystal structure. Degree Celsius. Now this austenite persists. Austenite कुठं पण असतं? That gamma austenite is persist up to the 1394 degree Celsius. बरोबर 1394 degree Celsius पर्यंत काय आहे? There is a gamma austenite. This gamma austenite phase is up to this 1394. हा इथे दिसतं बघा. Up to this 1394 degree Celsius, there is a gamma austenite phase called as a, again that gamma austenite phase is the 1 minute at that 1394 degree Celsius. This FCC austenite, a phase centered cubic austenite, is converted back into the body centered cubic crystal structure called as a ferrite phase, delta ferrite phase. बरोबर. Again this FCC austenite phase is converted back into BCC ferrite, which finally at that 1538 degree Celsius converted into the liquid. See, try to understand this. At this 1394 phase, there is a gamma austenite phase having BCC structure. Sorry, having FCC structure. बरोबर. Initially room temperature ला alpha ferrite BCC मध्ये आहे. ते 912 च्या पुढे ते BCC structure converted into the FCC gamma austenite up to this 1394 degree Celsius. But above this 1394 degree Celsius, this phase centered gamma austenite is converted into the delta phase, again that BCC delta ferrite phase up to this 1538 degree Celsius, and above this 1500 degree Celsius, 1538 degree Celsius, that delta ferrite, that solid delta ferrite is converted into the liquid steel, only that liquid phase, again it is in the BCC structure. So student, in this way, these are the three crystal structures called as the allotropy of iron. All these changes are apparent along the left vertical axis of the phase diagram. So the left side of vertical axis है, there axis प्रमाणे there are the changes in your iron carbon equilibrium diagram. So that is very important. All these changes are apparent, means along the vertical axis of the phase diagram we can see the number of phase structures at that 3 temperature lines. बरोबर 912 पर्यंत अल्फा फेराइड फेज आहे. 912 च्या पुढे अल्फा फेराइड फेज इज कन्वर्टेड into the gamma austenite, and again that at 1538 degrees Celsius, that gamma austenite is converted into the delta farad. The delta farad is usually the same as alpha farad, except for the range of temperature over which each exists. बरोबर. Alpha farad and delta farad normally काय student virtually it is same, only the temperature difference. बरोबर. आपण अल्फा फेराइडला पण बघितलं कुठलं स्ट्रक्चर होतं स्टुडंट, इट इज सेम बॉडी सेंटर cubic crystal structure, and at that higher temperature the delta farad is again in the body center cubic crystal structure. So it is same actually, only the temperature difference. So these are the basically different crystal structures. जेव्हा तुम्ही स्टुडंट मायक्रोस्कोप खाली बघतात, प्रॅक्टिकल पार्ट मध्ये तुम्ही जेव्हा बघाल, when you are preparing that sample specimen on that micro machine, पहिल्या चॅप्टर मध्ये आपण शिकलो होतो, to prepare that sample there is a continuous steps are there. बरोबर. इचिंग करायचंय, मायक्रो फिनिशिंग करायचंय, पॉलिशिंग करायचंय, ग्राइंडिंग करायचंय, मग त्या बरोबर. By preparing that sample you can see such different microstructure. Macro space मध्ये macro, बरोबर. Under that microscope I can see such different microstructures. So this is a 90 times magnification. 90x म्हणजे काय, 90 टाइम I have to magnify the structure. हे जे crystal structure बघतोय मी त्या मायक्रोस्कोप खाली, ते मला 90 टाइम मॅग्निफाय करायचंय, so that I can observe this ferrite phase like this structure. So these are the called as these lines are the grain boundary. The line ला काय म्हणतात, they are the grain boundary, and inner is the grain. आतमध्ये जे असते that is grain, are called as having different grain size, small grain size, bigger grain size. So having different grain boundaries along that 90 times magnification called as a ferrite phase. But when I have to see this austenite phase, gamma austenite phase, I have to magnify it by 325 size. I have to magnify it by 325 times. 325 टाइम मला तो मॅग्निफाय करायचा आहे, so that there is a phase called as the austenite phase. So that above that 325 time magnify, I can see this austenite phase called as the austenite temperature, and maximum solubility of carbon, in various single phases are that gamma ion मध्ये 2.1% solubility है, delta ion is only 0.1% of carbon, and in that ferrite phase it is 0.025%. alpha ion मध्ये that is 0.008 at the room temperature solubility. So at these various phases, various structures, and these various structures, for example, diagram of this alpha ferrite phase having this right from 0.008 to 0.002. So there is a carbon solubility in different phase structures. In this gamma austenite it is up to 2.14. So these are the different carbon solubility. These are the different carbon solubility in these various structures. Gamma ion मध्ये 2.1 पर्यंत पर्सेंटेज असतं, त्याच्यात फेराइट मध्ये फक्त ओनली 0.025. अल्फा फेराइट मध्ये अल्फा आयन मध्ये ओनली 0.008 at room temperature, and delta ion it is 0.1% of carbon. So the solubility of carbon varies in different forms of ion. बरोबर. कार्बनची जी solubility आहे, कार्बन जे soluble होतं त्या ion मध्ये, that carbon solubility changes in different forms of ion. The delta ion is having only 0.1% of solubility. Maximum solubility is only 0.1%, whereas gamma ion is 2.03% of carbon solubility, and at that alpha ion it is only 0.008%. Okay, the maximum solubility of carbon in ferrite is 0.025%. These are the different carbon solubility in different phases, different ion. Now this is called as the ion carbon or ion carbide equilibrium diagram or phase diagram. So at this last time, at this upper side, when that carbon percentage increases from 4.3 onwards, 4.3 च्या वर्षी जेव्हा पुढे जातं, then that phase is called as the Fe3C phase. Means that one carbon atom reacts with the three ferrous atoms. That is called as the Fe3C or called as the cementite phase. Students, try to understand. And that higher carbon percentage onwards from 4.3 percentage, 4.3 पेक्षा जेव्हा पुढे जातो आपण, that carbon percentage showing 4.3 percentage is called as a one carbon atom reacting with the three ferrous atom Fe3C. कार्बनचा एकच मॉलिक्यूल काय होतो, तीन फेरस atoms बरोबर रिएक्ट होतो, forming Fe3C, that is cementite phase. That is the hardest structure of iron. Iron it is the hardest structure of iron, forming cementite phase called as the Fe3C. One carbon atom reacting with the three ferrous atom at this above 4.3% of carbon. 4 ते 6.67% पर्यंत असतं ना, that is a cementite phase. बरोबर. At above temperature, that cementite is also called as lebuburite. बरोबर. L plus cementite phase. These are the different phases. Now these are the different properties of this alpha ferrite and delta ferrite. Okay? So alpha ferrite phase का है, it is interstitial solid solution, bro. That can be a part of your objective type of question. तुमच्या objective type of question मध्ये असा question येऊ शकतो. That alpha ferrite phase is a interstitial or substitutional solid solution. बरोबर. मग ते alpha ferrite phase कसा आहे, it is a interstitial solid solution of small amount of carbon dissolved in body center cubic ion. बरोबर. इनिशियल जो रूम टेम्परेचरला फेज आहे तो कसा आहे, अल्फा फेराइट फेज आहे. अल्फा फेराइट फेज having interstitial solid solution of small amounts of carbon dissolved in BCC ion. So the maximum solubility of carbon is in the alpha ferrite phase is 0.025 at 727 degrees Celsius and at 0.008 at room temperature. You will see that at the diagram also. So at this 727, okay, and here also you can see. So at this 727 degrees Celsius, it is 0.025, 0.022, that is 0.025 at this 727 degrees Celsius, and this at room temperature. At this room temperature, it is 0.008, 0.008 percentage of carbon at that room temperature. Okay. So as the carbon percentage is somewhat less, it is the softest among all the phases. बाकीच्या सगळ्या फेज मध्ये काय आहे, alpha ferrite phase is the softest phase. Then the next phase, that alpha ferrite phase, is converted to the gamma austenite phase. So that gamma is the again interstitial solid solution of carbon in FCC ion. या ठिकाणी BCC ion होता अल्फा फेराइट मध्ये, आता इथे ऑस्टेनाइट मध्ये कसा झाला, FCC ion झाला. And maximum solubility of carbon is 2.1%. It is not stable below 7.1. बरोबर. 727 degrees Celsius मध्ये काय, it is not stable. So up to that it is stable. So that gamma austenite phase is having carbon solubility of 2.1%. That 2.14%. That is a gamma austenite phase having 2.1% interstitial solid carbon having FCC ion, and it is not stable below 727, and it is non-magnetic basically. Austenite phase kata student, that gamma ion is the non-magnetic phase, and when it is increases that temperature, then it is called as the delta phase or delta ion or delta ferrite. This is again interstitial solid solution of carbon. Again that FCC is converted into BCC. So interstitial solid solution of carbon in BCC ion. Upon heating, austenite changes to BCC and gets delta ferrite. Alright? On heating, the austenite changes to BCC and gets into delta ferrite. Maximum solubility of carbon is 0.1% only. That is right here. There is a 0.1% of carbon. So there is a at that delta phase or called as a delta ion. Again, this BCC structure. Now the next phases, cementite phase, lepidolite phase, perlite phase. That also we have to understand today. Cementite is also called as iron carbide. Or सांगितलं मग आम्ही. At that higher carbon percentage, above 4.3 percentage, that carbon molecules will not remain free. It will be reacting with the three ferrous atom forming cementite phase. So this cementite phase is the also known as iron carbide. It is a chemical compound because it contains fixed percentage of carbon 6.67 percentage. बरोबर? त्यात कार्बन percentage किती आहे 6.67% कार्बन. बेसिकली कसं आहे, it is a orthorhombic structure. The cementite phase structure कसं आहे, it is orthorhombic crystal structure and it is one of the hardest constituent of iron called as cementite phase, and remaining phase is the lepidolite phase. The lepidolite phase is the eutectic laminar mixture of austenite light phase and cementite dark phase. It is unstable below 727 and transform into the alpha ferrite and cementite. So lepidolite phase कुठे बघायचं असेल आपल्याला, lepidolite phase is at this middle temperature line. This lepidolite is L. Lepidolite plus cementite phase. So that is the lepidolite phase. The lepidolite phase is the eutectic laminar mixture. He temperature line is at this 4.3. That is the eutectic point. So it is eutectic laminar mixture of austenite light phase and cementite dark phase. Okay, it is unstable below 727 and is transformed into the alpha ferrite plus cementite. This lepidolite plus cementite is converted into the alpha ferrite plus cementite at below this 727 degrees Celsius. That is the lepidolite phase, and last phase is the perlite phase. Austenite containing 0.8 percentage forms perlite upon slow cooling upon below 727 degrees Celsius. So this is at perlite phase, and below this 727 degrees Celsius, initially there is a perlite phase is there. Perlite is the interstitial solid solution of ion of carbon in the BCC ion. Upon heating, austenite changes to BCC and gets delta ferrite. Maximum solubility is of 0.1 percentage. Okay. Then perlite phase, it is the lamellar structure of alpha ferrite plus cementite. It is very bright in appearance, like pearl. That's why the name is perlite phase. And it has a fingerprint like appearance. Okay. So this is perlite phase, austenite containing of 0.8 percentage to 727 degrees Celsius called as a. So students, these are the different phases. These are the three reactions: peridactic reaction, eutectic reaction, and eutectide reaction. On that cementite iron phase diagram, these are the three reactions: peridactic reaction, eutectic reaction, and eutectide reaction. Peridactic reaction, eutectic reaction, and eutectide reaction. So these are the three reactions. Peridactic reaction used as to in the alloy containing 0.18% of carbon. The initial viscous of delta solid solution of the whole liquid phase is completely transferred to the austenite on cooling at 1493 Celsius. At this 1493 Celsius, liquid phase delta gives rise to, at this 1493 Celsius, this liquid phase plus delta phase gives rise to gamma austenite called as a perlite phase. So that gamma austenite is the perlite phase. And second reaction is eutectic reaction. This is high temperature peridactic reaction. This middle temperature eutectic reaction is alloy with the carbon content of 4.3%. The liquid is transformed into the austenite and cementite on cooling at 1147 degrees Celsius. That is a eutectic reaction. This liquid phase is converted into the gamma plus cementite phase. That is at that 1127 degrees Celsius. So that is a eutectic reaction. One liquid gives rise to austenite plus cementite. Then the third reaction is called as a eutectide reaction. Third reaction, eutectide reaction, is iron carbon alloy with 0.8%, very less carbon, the austenite is transformed into the cementite by dictate transformation called as at 727 degrees Celsius. The gamma austenite gives rise to alpha plus cementite. That you can go upon at this 727 degrees Celsius. This gamma austenite is converted into the alpha plus cementite phase. That is a eutectide reaction. So students, these are the three reactions: peridactic reaction at that higher temperature, eutectic reaction at that medium temperature, and eutectide reaction at this lower temperature. So these are the three reactions. The eutectide of ferrite and cementite is known as the perlite phase. So hypoeutectide steel. Left of the eutectide is hypoeutectide and right of the eutectide is the hypereutectide steel. These are the hypoeutectide and hypereutectide steel. Schematic presentation of hypoeutectide steel. Under that microscope, you can see the crystal structures of that hypoeutectide and hypereutectide. So this is the micrograph of hypoeutectide steel. That less eutectide point, that is hypoeutectide, and above that hypoeutectide there is a hypereutectide steel. So this is the hypereutectide steel. Again we will see that in micrograph. This is called the hypereutectide steel. More carbon percentage. Below that eutectide point there is a hypereutectide, and less than eutectide point there is a hypoeutectide point. So these are the different crystal structures students try to understand. So students, today we are concentrating on these three diagrams. Again we will revise that part. This is iron carbon electrode diagram showing different crystal structures. Iron carbon electrode diagram showing different crystal structures. Initially, there is alpha ferrite phase at that 0.08% of carbon. So this alpha ferrite phase at above this 727 degrees Celsius and above 912 degrees Celsius is completely converted into the gamma austenite. This alpha ferrite is in BCC structure, and that 912 degrees Celsius is converted into the gamma austenite, and around this 1490 degrees Celsius. Above this 1530 degrees Celsius, this gamma austenite is converted into the delta, or called as the liquid phase, having again BCC structure. So this property of iron is entropy of iron, and we are seeing these three reactions. We are studying this alpha ferrite phase, austenite phase, delta ferrite phase, then cementite phase, ludolite phase, perlite phase. Also we have studied these three reactions: peridactic reaction, eutectic reaction, and eutectide reactions. So these are the different three reactions which we can study under this microscope. Peridactic reaction, eutectic reaction, and eutectide reaction. These are the three reactions. So students, in the next part, we will study these different microstructures of hypoeutectide steel or hypoeutectide microscopic structure. Microscope खाली जेव्हा मी बघतो, when I studying some microscope under बरोबर एखादा कुठलाही सर्फेस प्रिपेअर करतो under that procedure of sample specimen. तुमचा सॅम्पल जेव्हा मी मायक्रोस्ट्रक्चर मध्ये बघतो, so we can see this microstructure under microscope called as a eutectide steel or hypoeutectide or hypereutectide steel. So these are the different microstructures under microscopes. And above that 2% of carbon, there is a called as a cast iron. The remaining part we will see in the next lecture, students. Is it clear, students? Because I am having continuously 2 lectures, and after that there is one practical also. So we will stop at this present. So students, today we are studying only the basic